Namaste everyone, welcome to Reversible Yoga. I'm Jody and today we are reviewing the Manduka Welcome Mat. And you know, I really think this is a very special mat because this mat is geared towards beginners, and I think it's really cool that Manduka has created something specifically for the beginner in mind, you know, in an effort to get more people practicing yoga and make people feel more comfortable and confident walking into that studio with a really good quality yoga mat that is also very affordable. So this yoga mat, the Welcome Mat, is 68 inches long and it's only 2.3 pounds. So, you know, if you've seen the other Manduka mats, it can be really heavy. So this is so portable and it's so light. I mean, I feel comfortable just kind of holding it here with one hand, no problem. And it's really grippy and cushiony. So just, you know, squeezing it, you can feel the grippiness in the hands. If I put it down, you know, you press into it with your hands. It's got that nice traction in it. It's cushiony enough so when you're getting onto your hands and knees and other poses, it's soft and supportive for your joints. The other thing is that I like about it is it's reversible. So this particular one is gray on one side, blue on the other side. It has its little Manduka logo right here embedded into the actual material, which is really nice. I love the little frog logo. It's so cute. And the really cool thing about this welcome mat is, if you can see here, and it has it on both sides, is this alignment stripe. So it's right down the center. So you can see it here on the blue. Maybe you can see it here on the other side, on the gray side as well. And what this does is it really helps you kind of to get into the poses a little more accurately, and to be able to, you know, line up your feet or line up your hands, make sure you're even in your body as you're coming into the poses, because when you're a beginner, sometimes, you know, you question, am I doing this right? Are my hands in the right place? Are my feet in the right place? So this is a really wonderful tool to help set up proper positioning of your body in your yoga poses. And the other thing about this is it's very eco-friendly, and this material is the closed cell surface. So what that does is the closed cell helps to prevent the sweat from absorbing into the mat, which is really good for hygiene, for cleanliness, and to keep, you know, that stinky, sweaty smell out of your mat for as long as possible. But with that being said, this closed cell technology, this mat is good in for warm yoga. So if you just a mild sweater, it's good. If you're a heavy sweater and you sweat a lot and you drip, this might not be the best mat for you, because with that drippiness, you tend to slip a little bit. So just keep that in mind as you are deciding which mat to go with. But you can't beat it. It's $48 on the Manduka website. And at the time that we're shooting this video, it's $48, and shipping to my state of Illinois is $10. But we are going to provide an affiliate link at the bottom of this video through Amazon, and you can get these mats for as little as $40. If you have Prime, it's free Prime 2-day shipping. So check it out, and you know, check out the mat. Let me know what you thought. Put comments in there, ask questions, anything that you need. And I really hope that you enjoy the welcome mat from Manduka. So if you like this video, press the like button, share it with others. If you know other people who need a mat, who are looking to get into yoga, maybe you guys can take the journey together. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, Reversible Yoga. I'll see you very soon. Thanks for joining in. Namaste.